Every morning, this facility processes thousands of pounds of fresh raspberries, destined to become the finest puree in the industry.
All right, back it up nice and slow. We need this shipment inspected ASAP. Get those hoses ready.
Here we go. The raspberry puree shipment has arrived. Excellent. The berries look pristine.
Stack the next ones on the far pallet. Keep the flow moving smoothly.
Checking for color and firmness now. Looks fresh.
No defects found. Approved for the puree line.
Temperature reading is 34.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Lot number 7289 confirmed for raspberry puree processing.
Advanced automation guides the fresh raspberries directly from the dock into our state-of-the-art chilled facility.
These berries are kept at a precise temperature, ensuring perfect freshness before they are transformed into our famous puree.
Maintaining the cold chain is critical for quality control in the puree production process.
All right, everyone, double check your stations. We are beginning the raspberry puree run.
The fresh raspberries are gently guided onto the vibrating conveyor, ensuring an even flow towards the puree line. We carefully distribute the fresh raspberries, preparing them for the washing stage to create the perfect puree.
Optical scan active. Defect density within acceptable limits.
Our gentle water washing system cascades fine sprays across the berries, carefully removing surface dirt before they become our signature raspberry puree.
Washed in crystal clear water, these vibrant raspberries begin their journey to become the perfect puree.
I see a stem right there. Got it. Keep an eye on the next batch coming through.
We select only the finest, freshest raspberries, ensuring perfect quality for our signature puree.
The crushed raspberries are moving smoothly through the pulping system, almost ready to become the final puree.
After primary separation, the raspberry puree flows steadily through the sanitary transfer channel toward the next vessel. The freshly pulped raspberries are transferred through our sanitary pipelines towards the refining stage.
Quality check on the raspberry puree stream. Ensure viscosity levels are optimal for refining. The refining machine takes the vibrant raspberry pulp and prepares it for the smooth texture required in our signature puree.
Emerging as a thick, smooth stream, this is the finest raspberry puree, ready for your culinary creation. Here you can see the finished raspberry puree entering the large stainless steel balance tank. The agitator
The precise automation ensures consistent quality during the thermal treatment phase.
Raspberry puree heat treatment sequence initiated. All parameters optimal.
Attention all floor staff. Line 3 is now running raspberry puree. Ensure all gauges are monitored.
process cycle initiated.
monitoring thermal treatment of raspberry puree. Heating element output stabilized. The raspberry puree now enters the final rapid cooling stage, ensuring peak freshness and flavor.
The cooling system rapidly brings the freshly treated raspberry puree down to the required controlled temperature. As the product leaves the cooling section, we see a stable reading of 4.2 degrees.
Raspberry puree sample collected from the main processing line. Lot number A389.
The viscosity seems slightly high compared to the control batch.
The color profile matches perfectly, though. The bricks measurement is also spot on.
Here we analyze the physical characteristics, ensuring the viscosity and bricks levels meet our strict quality standards before bottling. Quality control approval for raspberry puree is complete. We are clear for uninterrupted production. The raspberry puree is held at a constant temperature, ensuring perfect consistency before bottling. Precision engineering ensures every jar of our raspberry puree is filled to perfection, maintaining the highest quality standards.
Reminder to all staff, maintain sterile conditions. The raspberry line is now active.
Check the viscosity on this batch. Seems a little thin, doesn't it?
The synchronized movements ensure every jar of our vibrant raspberry puree is perfectly secured.
Attention all personnel, the raspberry puree run is exceeding targets. Maintain seal integrity checks every 15 minutes.
Attention line workers, maintain speed and ensure quality control on the raspberry puree run.
With synchronized precision, every container of raspberry puree is labeled flawlessly at high speed. Scan complete. Label alignment confirmed. Package integrity verified.
Item rejected. Please check the line for anomalies.
Everything looks good from here. The flow is perfect.
Agreed. The synchronization is impressive.
Raspberry puree production is currently at 95% efficiency.
All raspberry puree containers are packed with precision and ready for shipment.
Now processing raspberry puree. Ensure temperature stabilization.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every carton of raspberry puree is coded for complete traceability.
Quality control ensures every batch of raspberry puree is accurately labeled before shipment.
Check this seal right here, it looks slightly off.
I see it. Let's pull this batch aside for re-inspute.
Attention all personnel. Line 4 is now processing raspberry puree. Ensure all pallets are tagged correctly.
Layer 7 of raspberry puree successfully deployed.
Inventory update. Raspberry puree, pallet 9, moving to long-term storage. Verified, lot number matches.
All clear on aisle 4, heading to receiving.
Roger that. Bring the next pallet down.
Team leads, please report to the main office. Reminder to log all movements in the system.
Ensure that goes to Bay 7 immediately.
Confirmed. Scanning the manifest now.
Watch your clearance on the left, then head to Bay 2.
Okay, last pallet of raspberry puree is loaded. Sealing the truck now.
Make sure the puree lot numbers match the manifest exactly. Yep.
Just scan the last one. Everything is secured and ready to go.
With the final shipment loaded, the journey from fresh raspberry to finished puree is complete, ready for distribution across the globe.